Alright, so we got our 95 Kodiak 400 and front brakes. I can roll the machine, hit the front brakes all the way, pull it. I can feel just a little bit of drag when I pull it, but that's really not working. So we'll find out what's going on here. That's unusual that they were that loose. That would be why it wouldn't work. It's just at the bottom, I can see it. So what's going on is, I'm just going to add fluid to it. I'm going to blow a little of that out of there too. No, it sounds odd, but I'm not convinced there's even a leak. Sometimes you can lose fluid just from years and years and years. It gets low on its own through the lines. So what I'm going to do is crack the lines down below. And I got a feeling, well, there's a chance, I think, by just bleeding out the old stuff, then the new stuff will be up here replacing it. We just might end up getting our brakes back. This old brake fluid's got moisture in it. And hi, Addie. All right. Now it's starting to be a dreary day. So I'll turn this. Now let me turn it the other way. Cause I'll lose the fluid up above. Oh, I need a socket. So that's line going to it right there. 12 millimeter. Okay. I don't know if there's a bleeder on this one or not, but anyway. So as I'm pulling the lever down, cracking a line, now I'm tightening this line up, releasing the lever above. So again, starting to pull the lever, I loosen the line. Now before I let the lever back, I want to snug up this line. So I'm just going to continue doing that. Yeah, and I see fluid coming through. Again, I'm starting to pull the lever, crack the line, pull the lever all the way. Before I release the lever, the brake lever, I'm tightening this up. So now I'm releasing the lever, and that prevents air from being sucked back in. Alright. I'm just going to keep doing this a little more. Okay, now I'm going to go to the other side. And you can see the fluid did go down. You never want to let that run out, because then you'll be sucking air in. So my guess is it was low enough that got air in it. So now it's just a matter of bleeding the air out. Alright, so I got my hand on the lever. So pull the lever, tighten this up, release the lever. Pull the lever, release. I gotta add fluid up there, it's getting low. I can feel I'm starting to get some brake feel up above, so this is working. That's as far as I can pull the lever. So rolling it works good. So I think I'm gonna bleed the both sides just a little bit more for good measure. And I'd say we got it then. I think I'll do this side just a little more. If we don't get it any better than it is, I'm totally satisfied. It's really good. That's got to be good. There. And keep in mind, don't get that too tight, because that bolt's hollow inside to let the brake fluid come through. And if you tighten it too tight, you're going to break the bolt off. Alright, you can see the fluid through the sight glass, bubble on top. Like I said, you can push this, hit the brake. So now we got some feel in our brakes again, and they work. Alright, thanks for watching. And please, if this helped you out, please give a thumbs up for the feedback. It actually really helps me out. And please feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for watching. I make videos like this often. If this helped you out or you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button below and consider subscribing. Please also consider donating using the link in the description below, which helps keep this channel going. Hope to see you in the next video.